Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, onStar, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.